Hello and welcome to Fairy Garden Thursday. This is hosted every Thursday by Grandma Sandy and co-hosted by Sharon Shinogle, Barbie Daily Real Life in the Valley, and myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. As you can see, it is a rainy Thursday, so I have got my fairies inside today. I have an area in my guest room where I keep some of my fairies. They're on a tabletop and a shelving unit. So we'll take you inside and show you. Okay, here's a cute little fairy and a recently painted fairy house. It looks so much better. I just gave it a little refresh. So I'm turning it around so you can see how it looks all the way around. I love the terracotta look. It was very sun faded before. And then I have Sunflower. I named her that because she's holding a sunflower. And here's Ivy. She's playing her flute for all the fairies. And as you'll see here in a moment, Alice-in-Wonderland. And she's sitting on top of the door that I made out of pine bark. And there's Alice. And here's the Cheshire Cat with his funny little grin. And I also have a heart-shaped roses. Isn't that pretty? I put that in a vase with some greenery. And then here on the end, I have these little golden fairies that you can hang them off a pot. My husband had ordered those from Temu a few months ago. He has, over the last few months, knows how I love fairies, so he's been ordering fairy and fairy accessories for me, and even surprises me with them. I think that is so sweet. So here's another look at the top of the table that I've got decorated with fairies and a couple of Alice in Wonderland characters and beautiful red roses. Okay, now up on the shelf here, I've got some Alice in Wonderland signs with the white rabbit, some books. Well, this is a tarot book box. More of those little tiny fairies hanging off a pot that my husband purchased for me, and the rabbit with his pocket watch. Now here's another tin sign and Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Now the signs I got off of Amazon. And there's even a little fairy here holding a bunny rabbit. I've had her for a long time. Another look at those beautiful Temu fairies. So that's the bottom shelf. And here on the middle shelf is another gold fairy that my husband purchased and a couple of pictures that I framed myself. Alice with the white rabbit, a couple of potted lavender plants, and another picture of Alice that I framed myself. And here on the top shelf, I have my little fairy riding a unicorn with an old mug that was my mom's. So here's what the shelving unit looks like. Now be sure to check out the playlist, and also a big thank you to Grandma Sandy. Now if you would like to join us and participate, just hashtag Fairy Garden Thursday. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.